Space exploration has always been an audacious and risky endeavor, pushing the boundaries of human capabilities beyond the confines of our planet. With ambitious missions planned to the Moon, Mars, and even beyond our solar system, it becomes essential to address the inevitable question: what happens if someone dies in space? For over 6 decades of human space exploration, the number of lives lost has been relatively low, a testament to the remarkable dedication and safety measures put in place. Tragic events, such as the NASA Space Shuttle disasters and other missions, serve as stark reminders of the challenges involved in space travel. However, as space missions become more frequent, the possibility of facing such a somber scenario grows. Currently, protocols exist for dealing with fatalities aboard low Earth orbit missions, like the International Space Station. In such cases, if someone were to pass away, the crew could return the body to Earth swiftly in a capsule. Similarly, on the Moon, the crew would be able to return home with the deceased astronaut in a matter of days. However, envisioning a scenario where an astronaut meets their fate during the arduous 300 million-mile journey to Mars presents unique challenges. In such circumstances, returning to Earth immediately may not be an option. Instead, the crew would likely preserve the body within the spacecraft, utilizing controlled temperature and humidity to aid preservation. Eventually, the body would return to Earth along with the rest of the crew after completing their mission, which could span several years. A hauntingly grim thought arises when pondering what happens if an astronaut ventures into the vacuum of space without the protection of a spacesuit. The reality is bleak, as the astronaut would succumb almost instantly. The loss of pressure and the absence of a life-sustaining atmosphere would render breathing impossible, while body fluids would boil in the extreme conditions. Likewise, stepping onto the barren landscapes of the Moon or Mars without a spacesuit would lead to a similar fate. The meager atmospheres of these celestial bodies cannot support life, resulting in suffocation and blood boiling, mirroring the horrors of open space exposure. Suppose the unthinkable occurs, and an astronaut passes away while on the surface of Mars. Traditional options like cremation or burial come with significant challenges. Cremation would require valuable energy resources needed for other essential tasks, while burial poses the risk of contaminating the Martian surface with terrestrial organisms from the body. To address these pressing concerns, preserving the body in a specialized body bag until it can be safely returned to Earth emerges as a viable solution. However, dealing with death in space goes beyond logistical considerations. Emotional support for the crew, coping with loss, and providing solace to grieving families back on Earth become equally crucial aspects in preparing for the human endeavor to colonize other worlds. As space exploration charts a course towards a future of interplanetary habitation, grappling with the harsh reality of mortality becomes an essential part of mission planning. Ensuring protocols are in place to handle the unexpected is not just about safeguarding human remains, it's about preserving the sanctity of the human spirit in the uncharted realms of the cosmos. The exploration of space, a journey of discovery and wonder, must also acknowledge the fragility and resilience of the human experience.